Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone in the listening community. Welcome to day one of the 2019. I don't know why I'm giving it a year because it's the first time I've ever done this, but the 2019 live meditation experience. We're going to be doing this 21 days in a row together every Monday through Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern, and then on Sundays at 9 a.m. Eastern. So if you're setting your alarms, make sure that Monday through Saturday is at 11 a.m. and then on Sunday it's going to be at 9 a.m. You'll always have a couple minutes of buffer time for me to get myself together. Today I was running a little bit late because the school guidance counselor called me, one of them, because I have so many kids in school, but the school guidance counselor called me about 5 minutes before I was ready to get started, and I had to hurry her off the phone so I can come and meet all of you beautiful people. So hello. Hey, Karen. Karen's my friend from church, and I love her so much, and I'm so excited that you're here, and I am overwhelmed. So this is going to be the perfect meditation for me. As you know, all of the work here I do online is very self-serving. I do it in the journey or on the path to my own healing, and I basically just welcome you along. I think that that's what we're meant to do here in this lifetime, is to try to find our way back to ourselves, find our way to connect to truth, to God, to the universe, to whatever you believe is truth and light and magic in this life. And then in the process, as we learn, as we discover, we bring other people along. We say, hey, this is what I found and I want to share it with you. So I'm just really excited to be doing this meditation experience with you. Over the past few months, the last months of 2018, I was having a really hard time. There was big anxiety and symptoms of depression coming back for me, stuff that I hadn't seen in years, and it was a little bit scary. So I decided that I needed to recommit to a practice of integrity, of showing up for myself, of showing up for the people that I love, and I said, hey, why not do it together? So we're going to get started today with a very easy meditation. All of these meditations are going to be easy, even if you have never ever meditated before. I promise you, you are going to be doing, or you're going to be able to do this, because I'm going to guide you. And this is nothing different than what I do in my everyday life. This is nothing complicated, because Lord knows, as a mother of 5, I don't need more drama or complication in my life. So I just invite you to take what works, leave alone what doesn't, keep an open mind, keep an open heart, and try this little experiment with me. So I want to welcome you into a space, now that I've been talking really fast and at elevated energy. I want to welcome you into a space of peace and calm. And all that means is that you are going to intentionally step over an energetic threshold into a space that is just for you, that is just for this work, that is meant for your healing, that is meant for your joy, for your happiness, for your journey. Yesterday when I was sitting in church, I get these little inspirations that come to me during meditation. We meditate every single week in church together, and I jot them down on our little church bulletins. And today I want to welcome you into this space by inviting you to just close your eyes for a moment. And as I say these words, accept them as your own. Take a nice big inhale with me. And a letting go exhale. Accept this message as yours. I am here now in this sacred space, in stillness, to release all that doesn't serve me in this moment, and to call in divine assistance, love, and support. I am here now in this sacred space in stillness to release all that doesn't serve me in this moment and to call in divine assistance, love, and support. Know now that help is on the way. Your heart is open to divine assistance. Your heart is open to receiving gifts from me. I'm going to guide you on a very short journey that is going to restore peace and calm if you have experienced it and want to return to it, or give you a little taste of it if you've been longing for it for a very, very, very long time. With your eyes closed, if it feels comfortable. If it doesn't, go ahead and find a point on the room across from you, maybe on an object, a spot on the wall. Find a place to place your gaze or close your eyes and bring your attention to your easy inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Just observe the inhale entering through your nostrils, passing down the back of your throat, filling your lungs, your belly, settling into your seat, pausing for a moment, and then allowing your breath to escape through your mouth. And then pausing before you inhale again. If it's difficult for you to follow that pattern, just breathe as you are. Your breath is a perfect indication of your state in this moment. So if it's fast and shallow, that's fine. It's just telling you, hey, you're feeling a lot right now. I need attention. Or if it's relaxed and slow and smooth, then you're already there. You're doing a great job. Just observe your breath without judgment. Just allow it to speak to you, to say hello, to remind you that you are a living person, an energy that deserves attention. Allow it to say thank you for your time and your love. Just be here with your breath, in stillness, in this sacred space, ready to start something new for yourself, ready to welcome in peace, calm, love, support, and nourishment. And know that because you are here, because I have invited you in, because you are joined by so many other brilliant souls who are ready to support you in doing this work, that this is absolutely meant for you, that this is where you're supposed to be, and that you are worthy of this gift. A little bit of magic to observe right now. Notice how your breath has changed already. How you've become a little more relaxed without even having to try. Notice that with every inhale, you feel a little energetic support, and with every exhale, you fall deeper into a very natural state of relaxation. maybe you're just beginning your day, or you have been doing a lot already. I know I have. Let this meditation serve as the foundation for your day going forward. Let it serve as the positive well that you will collect every good feeling, inspiration, motivation, support for everything you want to do going further. Going forward. Imagine this meditation as that well, filled with nourishment, filled with water, clean, pure, clear. And as you move forward through your day, you draw on that nourishment to gain strength, encouragement. You are starting from a place, even if this is the middle of your day, even if you've already done so much, even if you've already been stressed out, aggravated, bothered, whatever. You are starting your day now again from a place of clarity, purity, and goodness. With that thought, I want you to, if it feels good, bring a little smile to your face, just a little one. Continue to breathe and observe your inhales entering through your nostrils, filling your lungs and your belly, and then letting everything fall with the exhale. Inhale. Exhale. That feels so good. You are so centered. You are so solid. You have shown up for yourself. And that is magic. That is love. Continue now to breathe with your inhales and your exhales for as long as you'd like. I'm going to exit this meditation by inviting you, if you want to come with me, to step back over that energetic threshold. Back into wide open space, into our lives, into the world. But now feeling lighter, more alive, more refreshed, more loved. And with a big, giant, beautiful smile on our faces. 3 breaths with me, and we're going to open our eyes. Inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale, let go. Inhale, last time, real big, full of energy. Exhale, open your eyes. Meditation isn't magic. It's just a way to connect with ourselves at any time, in any place, under almost any circumstance. To say, hey, I love you. I see you. I'm here for you. I'm going to be a friend to you. You are worthy of being heard and being seen, being loved, being adored, being taken care of, being supported. Meditation isn't something that belongs to a man on a mountain or the most enlightened of us. It belongs to me. It belongs to you. In the moments of chaos, of frenetic energy, of confusion, of sadness, of fear, and also of happiness and joy. Again, it's just a way to connect, to create breaks in our day, in our lives, so that we can return to ourselves and remind ourselves of what's real. And what is real is that we are worthy, we are loved, we are the magic, we bring the joy. So I love you so much. Please, if you have any questions, if you're watching this in replay, put them in the comments below. And I am so excited to answer every single one. So excited. I'm so happy we're doing this. My energy has already shifted so big during this short time together. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. I will get to them. I will see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. If you have friends who you would like to invite to do this with you, or just need it, right? You're like, you need to meditate. Grab those links in the video description and share them with them. Make sure that they register because I have gifts and all kinds of good stuff. And I love you.